And even if you notice, like after executing, so the browser remains open. So if you need to close the browser, yes, you can configure in the hooks, like navigate to the hooks. So there is an annotation called as an at after, right? So here you can add the method called as an driver.close. So whenever you add driver.close, so what happened? It will automatically close the browser. But there are two methods which is available. So one we call it as an close method and another we call it as an quit method. So the close method will always close the current instance. So whereas quit method will close the all instance. So what is meant by current instance? So wherever the WebDriver is present currently, we call it as a current instant. So all instant in the sense like if you see as of now, like we have executed the multiple test. So in the first test, so like we have selected the drop down value and we have extracted the drop down value. And post executing, the WebDriver will be available in this particular baby wishlist. If I say driver.close, it will close only the current instance because as the WebDriver is present in the baby wishlist, it will close only this particular browser. So, but whereas when I say driver.quit, so whatever the browser which is opened through the automation, it will close all the browser. Okay, so that is what I told. So close in the sense it will just close the current instance. Quit in the sense it will close all the instance. So it is always good to use like driver.quit because the driver.quit will close all the instance. So now whenever we execute this particular test case, so post execution it will automatically close the browser as well. So now if you see like after executing, it will close the browsers. So all the prerequisite will be configured in the hooks. So even you can use the hooks annotation inside the class file, but why I have created as a separate file in the sense so that like in the future, like we will get to know what are the precondition and the post condition which is available in the project. Okay, so for easier segregation, like I have created the hooks class, and also like there is no rule like so the hooks class should be start with the keyword called as an hooks. Okay, so that is not a case. So even you if you need the different name, so you can provide the different name for the same. So now you could see after executing the search result, automatically the browser is closed. So now it is executing the second scenario, and after executing the second scenario, so the automatically the browser will be closed. So the reason is like because like we have added the driver.close. So there is some error. So maybe like we can have it in the look later part. Okay, so there is few exception has been occurred. If I rerun the scenario, this exception will be avoided. So any doubt till this point?